I'm currently standing in a completely modular kitchen made up of our quick delivery products. For those of you who may not be familiar with our modular range, we have a variety of products that are available either off the shelf from Bunnings or for quick delivery to store. This range is a great option if you're looking to complete a project quickly. At a glance, it's hard to believe there are no customised cabinets in this entire kitchen. I'll show you how you can design this exact kitchen in the 3D planner. Before starting the design, you will need to have your room measurements handy. If you're unsure about how to measure your space, we have a masterclass that covers the planning phase of your project. We highly recommend giving it a watch. When you have the accurate dimensions of your space, it's time to start designing. After navigating to the landing page, the first thing you want to do is log in using the icon on the top right of screen. If you don't already have an account, this won't take long for you to set up. After logging in, you'll see a list of projects if you've started some previously. To start a new design, we'll use the menu on the top left and select New 3D Project. Before you start adding room dimensions, we recommend checking that your room measurements are accurate. You will then be prompted to enter the room dimensions. The room we are designing in is 7.6 meters by 4.1 meters. We'll add those dimensions and click OK. The planner will initially show you the room in a floor plan top view. This will give you the opportunity to add any fixed components to the room, such as windows and doors. To add windows, simply click on the Windows icon on the left-hand side of the planner. Scroll through and find a window that suits your design. We've added two windows here, and they can be moved by dragging them along the wall. You can also adjust the size by clicking the dimension and entering the size you require. The window can also be positioned by selecting the distance from the wall. Similarly, you can add any doorways you may have in your room. The same way you added the windows, you will need to click on the doors icon on the left-hand menu. Scroll down until you find the right one that suits your design. Just like we did with the windows, we can drag them into position and adjust the size. We'll add our last door to the right-hand wall. Once the fixed elements are added to your room, you are ready to start designing your kitchen. Before starting the design, we recommend naming your project. This will make it easier for you to locate if you're working on your designs over an extended period of time, or if you have multiple designs. When your floor plan is complete, select the Edit Design button to take you to the 3D view. By clicking on the floor and dragging left and right, we can rotate the room. We also have the option to toggle to the 2D view using the buttons on the lower part of the screen. To start designing, we select our cabinet menu from the left-hand side. Scroll through and find the cabinets you require. Click the plus button to add them to the room. The cabinet can be selected and dragged into location. We'll continue this process until we have all our cabinets in place. When adding cabinets, the cabinets will rotate into position to ensure the back of the cabinet is against the wall. Continue to use your menu to find base cabinets, drawer cabinets, and appliance cabinets to build your kitchen. We will also need to add end panels between appliances and on the end of cabinet runs. We're checking our design in the front view. We've now selected the 3D view just to check it's progressing how we want. We'll continue to add cabinets and build our kitchen. This corner cabinet is the start of our island bench. We've added 2 drawers to the island bench to create functionality. We'll toggle back to our 3D view to check on the kitchen's progress. Back to our 2D view to continue designing. We'll now start working our way down the right-hand wall. Using the appliances menu on the left-hand side, we scroll through our cooking appliances to find the correct oven. Make sure you check your appliance specifications to confirm the distance you need to leave between your cabinetry and your cooking appliances. To finish this cabinet run, we're adding a set of drawers to the right-hand side of the oven. Always making sure we finish any cabinet run with an end panel. We've now completed our basic U shape of our kitchen. On the lower wall, we'll be adding pantries and a space for the fridge. To create a fridge cavity, we're using 2 pantry end panels and a slimline cabinet. We'll zoom in to ensure we get the correct positioning. We'll finish off this cabinet run with a set of drawers and a standard base cabinet. We now have our base cabinets finished and our pantry cabinets. It's time to start on the wall cabinets. When adding wall cabinets, we want to mirror the size of cabinets that we've put on the base, so we get a symmetrical look. To ensure nothing hinders the opening of our wall cabinet, we're putting a filler panel between the wall cabinet and the wall. We'll continue to work our way along the walls and add cabinets where required, selecting a 450mm cabinet to go above the 450mm drawers. The cabinet will be finished with end panels and then aligned with the base cabinet. To position the cabinets accurately, we can use the zoom tool. Once again, we'll check our design in the 3D view to make sure it's coming along as required. We'll now add our final two wall cabinets next to the fridge. This is our cabinet layout complete. To finish the look of our kitchen, we'll add a fridge into the fridge cavity space. If you want to play around with different colours, finishes and profiles, you can do this in the Overall Styles menu. For the doors and panels, we have selected a style from our range of modular quick delivery products. This particular colour is antique white in alpine profile. And for the handles, we chose the Pasto style in matte black. For the bench tops, we have chosen a natural blonde timber called Hevia. Now we are increasing the width of the bench top from 600mm to 900mm to create a breakfast bar. To add a little more personality to the space, you can use the feature called Decorate for Me, located on the bottom of the left-hand menu. This feature will automatically decorate the space and will give you a better idea of what the finished room will look like, so you can really visualize yourself in the space. There you have it. We have designed a large family kitchen that boasts functionality and a timeless style using the Kaboodle 3D planner. The next step is to take the design to your local Bunnings warehouse, ask an in-store kitchen expert to review the plans, then place the order. If you're still not confident using the 3D planner, you can organise a design consultation in-store or at home. You can book this at the special orders desk or via the 3D planner. I hope this masterclass has helped you navigate Kaboodle's 3D planner and given you the confidence to design your dream kitchen today. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions about using the 3D planner, please reach out to us via email or send us a direct message on Instagram.